send this message to say, Happy Valentine. I love you sincerely, your Valentine. Valentine, see lovebirds sing and dance, romance blooms, sweethearts fall in love. Flowers, chocolates, and romantic rhymes. I hope it puts you on cloud nine. Valentine, the patron saint of love, was martyred for blessing the betrothed. This shows love can be courageous and magical when our hearts entwine. Oh, I send this message to say, Happy Valentine. I love you. Happy Valentine. I'm yours, you are mine. Sincerely your Valentine. Valentine, see lovebirds sing and dance, chocolates, flowers, and romantic rhymes. Love is beautiful and magical, and surely manifest when hearts entwine. Today's for celebrating romance, reminds us to thank our beloved. So let's give love unconditionally, love each other as God loves us. I send this message to say, sincerely your Valentine. Sincerely I'm yours, you're mine.
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwah Media.